Jesse Karanja, the pastor who allegedly cancelled the wedding in Nakuru, is said to have demanded the couple meet certain standards before the wedding.
Among those standards, according to family members, were medical tests that he said to have forced the couple to take and submit the results of to the church.
Even though no reference has been made to HIV and AIDS, the HIV and AIDS Tribunal insists that forced medical tests are illegal.
According to the bride's brother, medical tests were the basis of the Saturday wedding cancellation. It had taken 5 months to plan. There was no disclosure of the specific tests.
Amekuwa akifanya repeatedly, anawaambia warudie medical zaidi ya mara 3. Tunashangaa pastor amekuwa daktari tena.
Many preachers say churches mostly advise couples to take HIV tests and make them known to each other. However, some churches do demand the tests and make them a compulsory requirement before marriage.
You are not supposed to do any tests, particularly HIV/AIDS for wedding. And even if you're positive, you are not supposed to be refused wedding if the couples agree to wed.
The forced tests have become a particular problem with churches. The HIV and AIDS Tribunal says it has dealt with many such cases.
The church must realize that wedding is giving the authority to wed is not their right. That was the power given. It is a delegated power from the Attorney General. They don't have that power.
There are pastors who think Pastor Jesse's cancellation of the wedding was uncalled for.
Sometimes I've told a couple, if you can look at me, both of you now that you are here, and tell me, Pastor, sisi tuko sawa, then we will still go ahead. I also have to tell them way in advance that even if the results are, say, positive and negative, and both of you love each other and you want to go ahead, we will still do the wedding.
The couple affected by the pastor's refusal to officiate the wedding remain mum. Charity Mwangi, NTV.